The 2 Tyres Guide to the Metzeler Sportec M9RR. The Metzeler Sportec M9RR is a superb sports tyre that's well suited to our UK summers. Arguably one of its strongest suits is that it's a brilliant tyre in wet and cold conditions. Sure, that might not be the first thing you want in a superbike tyre, but unlike a lot of sports tyres, the M9 won't let you down if conditions aren't perfect. No one likes tiptoeing around in the cold or wet, but the M9 will provide loads of feel and feedback, regardless of the weather. If you ride an adventure bike with a 19-inch front wheel, you're in luck, as Metzeler make a fitment for you. These will transform the feel and grip of your ADV. Aside from being one of the best all-weather sports tires, the M9 has all the grip you need for those sunny Sunday blasts. If you're a fast road rider and you do the occasional track day, these are well worth a look. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website. Just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.